I have not done any video posts in a while because I have been a little bit under the weather. But I have to do this particular one because I need your advice. I need your opinion, especially those of you that work in insurance. I need your professional advice. This customer reached out to me. He narrated his ordeal to me. He went to the bank on the 9th of February. Please follow closely. He went to the bank on the 9th of February and he met this lady. This lady told him about an insurance company and marketed some policies to him. So he found out that the insurance company was affiliated with his bank, so that gave him some level of comfort, right? So he chose one of the policies that the lady was marketing to him. So the lady gave him the forms to fill, and he said while he was filling, he discovered that he was not with his national ID. He was not with his national ID, and he didn't have it on his phone. So he told the lady to hold on with the sign up that he was going to get back to her. So they exchanged contact on that day, that February 9th, 2024. They exchanged contact and he promised to send the national ID when he gets home. So he said on his way, before he got home, because he left the bank to go back to his work, he's doing one work for someone. Before he got home that day, he said the lady had called him multiple times, that he was getting irritated, like, what's happening? I told you I was going to send you the ID when I get home. He said the lady kept calling. At a point, he told the lady that he was no longer interested, but the lady still kept calling, so he had to block her. He said he blocked her that same day. Before the evening of that day, he had blocked the lady on WhatsApp. So February till November, he said he went to the bank November. He didn't receive any alert, notification, no email, no SMS. He got to the bank and discovered that his money in his account was gone. Like, all the money in his account was gone. So he inquired to know what happened to his money. So they told him that it was for your insurance. He said, which insurance? He did not sign up for any insurance. The form he was filling, he said he did not sign. He had not even gotten to the signature part. He had not signed. So when they told him that the money went for insurance, he knew that, okay, maybe the lady went ahead. So he went to meet the lady, like, I told you to hold on with this sign up. I was no longer interested in this sign up. Why did you still go ahead to do it? The lady told him that you said I should go ahead. The lady said he told her to go ahead with the sign up. So this customer told her that, please, he does not even want to know how you got his national ID. He does not even want to know how you got to sign the forms. But whatever you did, he just wants his money back. I decided to launch my investigation because I was not going to take everything he told me. No, because some part of the story, it was not just adding up. It not just they make sense to me. So I decided that, okay, can you give me the lady's contact? He did, and I asked some of these questions. She told me the customer signed the form. Remember, I said this transaction happened in February 2024. If the customer signed a form for you in February, why did you not treat the transaction in February? Why did you wait till November before you decided to consummate the transaction? Obviously, she was responding to me, but it got to some point she just I think she has even blocked me. Why did you decide to treat it in November? Now, that is not even only the question. How did you get the form signed? How did you get his national ID? I mean, any regulatory ID card that belonged to this customer that you used to sign him up, how did you get it? She's not talking to me anymore because the guy said he did not sign. He's very sure he did not sign the form. How did you get the form signed? Is it the same form he filled in February that you used to treat in November? Because I know that that instrument becomes stale, like obsolete. That is, you cannot use yesterday's date on an instrument tomorrow. So if the customer signed this form in February of 2024 and you did not treat it on that February night 2024, and you are treating it now, how did you do it? Because he would have written dates. Did you cancel the date? So if you cancel the date, did you sign? Did you ask him to come and sign, countersign? Shey, if the customer wanted to do insurance, maybe he will do an amount that will be convenient for him to save, that he can conveniently close his eyes and be saving. The money that left his account is like almost all the money he has, hundreds of thousands, into insurance. This customer said he did not authorize any insurance policy. He did not sign up for it. He did not ask the lady for it. He should just refund his money. Now, the lady told me point blank that this policy cannot be liquidated. Now, remember that this customer does not have policy number. He does not have anything. He does not. He didn't even know that the policy was still signed up in his name. He was not aware. Please, those of you that work in insurance, can you help me, enlighten me, educate me? Can this customer get his money? Because as it stands, this customer is stranded. This is like almost all the money he has. He has saved it up since the beginning of the year to do one or two during Christmas. He's just a young, struggling guy that left school, no job. He's just doing one or two things to put body and soul together. Please help me in the comment section if you know how to get this money out. What can he do?